work. Pump on up with your fist in the air. Wave it all around like you just don't care. Pump on now, get the girls out the skirts. Everybody knows I'm about to make this work.
Okay, any mic?
Yeah, just grab a pair.
Okay. Grab a pair. Grab your balls.
Yeah, all right. Let's get these guys out of the way.
Sound check. I'll just go based off the first track first, real quick.
Talking your mic?
Check, check.
Check, check.
Mic check.
I'm not seeing you.
Me at all?
Check.
Should I grab a different mic or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just pick up a different for now. Just pick up a different one.
All right. I'll grab this one. Check, check.
Yeah, that one works.
Okay.
So that's 17.
Check. 17.
I wired them reverse. Oh, you did? Okay. So let me.
Oh.
Where's yours right here?
Yeah.
Okay, so this should be. Yours, where's yours?
Right here.
Let me see it. Do I have it?
Yep, you got
Okay,
it.
cool. So you're one.
On one? Okay.
So this is supposed to be one. You're supposed to be here. Second one wasn't. This is the one that wasn't working, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
that's the one. I don't know about the other one over there.
Out later. Let's just work with those.
For sure.
Okay, talk to your mic, guys.
Okay. Check, check, check. Mic check. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Keep going.
Check, check, check. Check. Check, check, check. Check. Mic check. 1, 2. Boom. Check. Check.
Particular
Check.
mic sounds better when you don't cup it, so you know, okay?
Okay, for sure. Check.
Talking your mic.
Check, check.
Can you hear yourself okay?
Absolutely. Yeah. Well, so far.
Let's hear the other guy.
Yeah.
Mic check, check,
Keep going, bud. Keep going.
check, mic check. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Keep it rolling.
Mic check,
Don't
1, 2.
don't stop. Just keep
1, 2. Mic check.
Can you hear yourself okay?
Yeah, I can hear myself good. Not right now. Not right now, though.
We got a lot of room to go, so.
Okay.
Nice.
Mic